Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. We have this car here, 2013 Highlander, right? And we have air tire pressure sensor on. And okay, let's see. We need to know which sensor is not working. We want to know what sensor is not working, right? Say, yeah. So let me close the door, put the window down for you if you want to watch, because the light here give me. Okay, close it here. Okay. Okay. Diagnose. VIN number. Auto detect. Toyota, right? The tire pressure monitor is giving us hard time, so let's see. It's okay. With the smart key.
You like it? You like it? Once you take care of it, never finish.
I got 96.
96. Right?
I'm going to check the car,
Okay.
diagnose,
Okay.
auto scan.
Right?
So we're going to scan it. Okay. Okay, engine control module, air conditioning, fault. Tire pressure, tire pressure, no fault. Come on.
500 something. You
Tire pressure, no fault. Okay. Okay, report.
at least I get something, you know?
Air condition, brake switch correlation, throttle body position, air condition, passenger solar, driver solar. Okay, your problem here is the air pressure monitor, right?
Hmm?
This is the problem here, right? This is what you're looking for, right?
Yeah, the air pressure. Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't. I don't have any code here. There is no code for it. But let me see the. Let me see if there is any. If anything that is not okay with it. Trouble code. No codes. Live data.
Then it cannot be detected.
I'm looking at it now.
Okay, then
5 tires. Okay. I see something here. Shroud of low pressure 24. ID inflate. 5. Vehicle speed. Number of code. Okay. Okay, let me see here now. All the ID pressure is okay, battery is okay, battery are okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 battery is good. ID 5 temperature is good. Now we're gonna be ID 5 27, 40, 38, 39, 39. Okay, this ID is registered. 18. Main, okay. So we have a problem here. I see something here, I don't like it, so let's see what need to be done. 25, 40. Let me see what the pressure. Okay, here we have the pressure. Supposed to be the front and the rear and the spare. I see something here, brother.
No?
There is something here.
What is it?
Okay. You see the pressure? Here is what you need to do. Look here. This is your pressure. Here is 39. The PSI, the 39. This is 40. This is 25. This one here is 38. 39 is too much. All of them supposed to be 30.
30?
30, 30, 30, 30. Even the spare tire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of them supposed to be 30, 30, 30, 30. You see, this is 26. This is 40. 10 pound too much.
Okay.
39 pound too much.
9 pounds.
38, 30. That's a lot.
Which mean
All of them we need to
be
have.
balanced,
We need
right?
to have balance. Balance with the right pressure.
Okay.
Temperature is normal. You see temperature, 6 degree, 9 degree, 9 degree, 6 degree is okay. Maybe this one here maybe because it's under the by the engine there. But look here, the battery also is good. 1.6, 1.6, 1.6. You got it?
Okay.
The shro, like 24.29. Like normally we need even the ID, everything registered. So.
Okay.
The tire pressure, the tire people send you here, whatever. But those sensors, those pressure here is not okay.
Okay.
That's the only thing I see here. There is no code. No, like hey,
Right.
like you understand? There is no code that I can
They
see.
need to balance the tire, right?
Yeah, balance them completely. 30 pound, 30 pound, 30 pound correctly before you go crazy. Sometimes like just because balancing. Turn the light on, it not give you code. You cannot say the air is too much or air is too less.
Okay.
So you gotta balance it and then you take it from there. But there is no code like sensor is bad. The guy tell you one sensor is bad, right? Or something like that.
They don't tell me how much is there, but
Yeah, but they say
it's a tire pressure that make it like that,
Okay, so you guys have to get it correctly on that one.
Okay.